In this quick video, I will show you how to insert and use an SD card in your Samsung A32. This is the awesome blue 128GB. So what you need is obviously the SD card. I'll be using this Samsung 32GB SD card. You'll also need a SIM slot pin ejector. This one. To eject the slot where you insert the SD card. Just before we start, I will show you how you can check if there is an SD card in the phone without opening the SIM slot. So just open Settings, scroll down to Battery and Device Care, and open it. When it opens up, click on Storage, and then click on this menu and select Advanced. As you can see, there is no SD card here. This means that this Samsung A32 does not currently have an SD card inserted. To insert the SD card, just use the pin on the top left edge of the phone where the SIM slot is. This will open this slot and then you can insert your SD card. So I'll just use the pin and then open the slot. And then you can just drag it out. And as you can see, because the slot is open, it's already saying no SIM card inserted. You can drag it enough just to put in the SD card, but if you want to see how it looks, I'll just take all of it out. So this is how it looks. I've just left enough space for the SD card. And then, I've just inserted the SD card. And then you can push it in. The Samsung A32 allows for a hot swap, so you don't have to restart the phone for it to pick up the SD card. Now if I go back to Settings, Battery and Device Care, select Storage, click on the menu here and then click on Advanced, you can see now I have the SD card with 29.8 GB usable. It's not 32 GB because the other space is taken by the system. In the next video, I will show you how to move apps to the SD card on your Samsung A32 running Android 11. Thanks for watching, like the video if you liked it, and I'll catch you in the next one.